So now in this particular part, we will be going to apply the row level security. So initially a row level security is used to apply the conditions on the basis of, or apply the security on the basis of conditions, or you can say on the basis of permissions. Now if I want to perform this particular task just right here, while going with this security implementation as well, we need to follow some very basic task right now. So what is the task number one? The task number one is that we all will go to the modeling tab. Under this modeling tab, we have manage roles. So you can go to the manage roles. Currently, we are going to perform the static modeling, right? We will be performing a static modeling here. Click on this create roles. Then I will go where? I will go to this territory, add filter, and then I'm going to capture a group, and inside this group I'm going to first mention Europe, and the role name is going to be European customer. Then I'm going to add one more role. This will be US customer, followed with the same territory, add filter, a group, and inside this group I am going to mention North America. And one last role which I am going to create will be the Pacific user, followed with the same operation or same approach, add filter, group, Pacific, and then you just need to save it. As it is saved, now it's time to test it. Let's test them, that whether these roles are affecting or they are not. Whether you are, or whether the role that you have created is affecting or not. So in this case, click on view as. Now, as in step 1, I would prefer to show the data on the basis of US customer. So I will click OK. So now, as you can see, currently I can see United States and California. Correct? Two records we can be able to see there. Because in these two options that we will be using, we are using European sales. So definitely they might not giving you the appropriate operation. But if you want to check with them as well, just uncheck this European sales, provide the total sales here as well. Same process. Go for total sales on the basis of country. Now again, and remove, or you can keep it on the basis of customer. You can go on the basis of customer, or this should be, can be on the basis of customer name. You can remove the country from here. The customer name should be at x-axis. So 1, 2 and 3. Here if you want, just try to do it on the basis of group, only group. Remove the customer name, we will keep it on the group name. Okay, so now technically when I will go with your view as again, and then I am first going to capture the European customer, click OK. The role will apply, and you can see that I can only be able to see the European data. We can only be able to see the European data right now. If you can check with the countries which are there, look at the countries. These are Netherlands, France, Germany, and then United Kingdom. Stop viewing this. Followed with that, if I will take you to the other options, so we can apply this filter. Now, second thing is that let's test it with the other user, which is my American user. So view as, say, Pacific user and click OK. So definitely we need to wait for a while, and then only the Pacific users are going to be presented to you. These are the Pacific users. If you want to check the country name, it's Australia. The country name is Australia, right? Back to report. I have two users with name John and Ross. They both belongs to the Pacific. And then here is the customer name again, right? Now stop viewing. And then finally, I would like to test it with my third user, which is, or the third role, which is we call the US customer. And then I'm going to click OK. So technically this US customer will only take United States and California, because this is the Rachel, Robin and Kim belongs to North America. If you will see the second record, here we have only United States and California. If you will go for other records, so accordingly we will be able to see those resources, and this is how you will be able to apply a static row level security. Now we also have a technique which is known as your dynamic row level security. So let me save this project first, and then we can go for a dynamic row level security. But before that,